Hi, baby. The intention of this is not telling you that I'm struggling or trying to be poor to make you feel guilty or something. I just want you to know I have tried my best to take care of boys, to take care of myself, go to work and feeding myself. That's what you want me to do even when you're leaving. And that's all I can do to showing respect to all your love and support. I've started taking care of my health seriously. Did a bunch of health check, had a small surgery last year. I'm paying attention not only on my physical but mental health. Unfortunately, I have not found any prescription that really works for me. I'm on my fifth trial for new drugs now. Hopefully this one work better. The old one either didn't work at all or having really bad side effects that significantly impact my daily life. I have encountered memory loss, bad anxiety attack. Sometimes all those bad thoughts went back and back again whenever I switching from one lesson to another. I don't know where you're at now. I don't know if you are doing well or not. I'm really concerning about you, but all I can do is pray for you every single day. I wish God could forgive us with His unconditional love. He could keep you safe. He could give all strength you need to help you getting through this as fast as possible. I know this is not easy for you as well, but I believe you can do it. I really don't want to put my private things and talking this to the public. I know you don't like it too, but I don't have option. I have so many words that I want to talk with you. I don't have other option, and I don't want to wait until it's too late. I was fainted at a parking lot last Wednesday, and I was sent to the ER by ambulance. Did a bunch of checks. Everything's okay, so don't worry about me. I was lucky that it couldn't have gone a lot worse if I was driving at the time. But it also made me so scared. I feel alone, on my own, and hopeless. A lot of thoughts across my mind at that time. And it is the main reason why I am making this video. I know I got blocked by you or in blacklist by every possible platform. I don't want to be one of those ex-boyfriend that bugging you nonstop or bugging your friend nonstop. I understand you prefer no contact for now, so I hope you will see this someday later. I know you said you will post some pictures just to let me know you're okay, but I think I really let you down again the day when you left. All I did is crying and trying to breathe, and all my stupid thoughts must be bugging you so bad. And I thank you for you to still trying to keep me safe even when you're leaving. I was in a big shock and lost my mind that day. I can't really process anything in my mind, and I was still in chaos for following few days. I want you to know that our relationship isn't the reason leading my suicidal thought. You have saved my life that summer. It will be a totally different story if you're not at home that day. When I was in the closet, when I was in the closet at night, before everything happens, I hear a voice in my head. It says like, hey, she's out there. What will be happen to her if she's seeing this second day when she walk into a closet? So a lot happy and sad memories of us are crossing my mind, and and I didn't do it, so I walked to you and I wake you up and trying to ask you for help. I don't know if you still remember that. You told me to find counseling or find somebody to talk at school for help. You told me you are struggling with a depression too, but I think I never have a clear understanding what is depression, and I really never pay attention on my own issue and yours. And I always thought I was just too tired and it will be fine just after sleep. And you told me so many times to take care of my health, to do a health check, to do the sleep study, but I never listened. In the first few years when we just started dating, I was putting you as my priority. Every decision I made, I was hoping it could help you and will work for you the most, the best. I don't know when I started to paying less and less attention on you. Maybe after we had our own place, I was under big pressure for the mortgage debt. Or maybe when I put in too many things on my plate and trying to get everything the best I can. And then I start losing sleep and getting depression badly and other health issue. I don't want to put all the blame to my depression or something else, because I know I make all the decision. And I am taking the consequence now. And the day when you left, I don't want to make a promise or something to tell you that I'll be a total change man just after a promise or a few days. I know it will take me a really long time to rethink what I have done wrong, so I could learn from all those mistakes, learn from all those things that you complain over and over again. I really need to learn how to listen, how to apologize, and how to better communicate. I need to learn how to do all those housework, not just leaving all the work to you. It's not only your responsibility, it's mine. Like taking care of kitties and cooking, all the housework. I know if I don't figure those out and getting better, it'll be have same ending even if you are coming back together. So I was thinking a lot of things for past few months. I was trying to put myself in your perspective for all the things, but the more I think, the more I realize I didn't do it enough or I made a horrible decision. And I have finally understand what you mean by it's not one or two things. It's about everything. It's about every decision I made in the past. It's about every time when we fight, I never want to apologize and we never talk through it. I just want to let it cool down and let it go. And it's about all those small things that I tell you I would do it, but I never get it done. I shared with you about my story when I was 17. I got fired 5-6 times in a month. I still remember those nights I was wandering in the street in New York City. Those nights I would sleep in the bus station because I could not afford a hotel at that time. It was a lot of low for my age, a lot of bad experience, bad memories. 10 years now, I thought it's gone. But every time when I'm thinking about it, I still feel cold and I still feel scared. It was never a good memories. I shared with you how God bring me inner peace whenever I pray to Him at a time, and how He's keeping me strength and keep me moving forward. And you were surprised why I could stay positive after all those things happened to me. I still try to only remember those good things, even though a lot of bad experience, but there's a lot of good things happened, a lot of good people helping me. Otherwise, I'll never gone through this far today. But sadly, the experience has affected me permanently, my mentally and my thoughts, my personality. I became very defensive and hard to trust people. I could never sleep with any noise, that. And I thought I would be working in a restaurant until one day my lower back has stopped me from working. All my life, all my memories from 17, it was working in a restaurant, 12 or 13 hours a day, 6 days a week, and I never had a life. Until I met you, my lives have completely changed. I start having hope. I start having faith in the future. We have gone through so many things together. We've been up and downs. We were supporting each other. We healing each other, and you're healing me. I was always grateful God bring us to know each other. And I rebuke my lie upon your love and your support and your company. You're more than just significant other to me. It's more like a family, even we're not married. Going back to school, it's not an easy decision. If it wasn't you, I probably were never able to do it. It was you to walk me through every step of the way. And it was you to make me feel safe, and I can trust you with all my heart. Even today, I still, at the end of the day, you were leaving with a broken heart. I just can't take all achievement and think I deserve it. I know you told me to move to other place and go live in a new environment. Then I can possibly move on, having a brand new start, working on the job that I like, do things that I like. There won't be pressure from you. There won't be pressure from getting approval. But I just can't do it. I don't want to live with the guilty with the rest of my life. I will be still here because it has all the memory with you. Even all the memory hurts me badly every single day. I will still try my best to live every day, to take care of boys. You told me you still want to see them. They miss you a lot too. Always have a room for you, and it will be always your home here. And I really want to talk a lot more with you, but I think let's call it end. I really hope you could see this one day, and I really wish you the best. I hope you can getting out of this as soon as possible. And I'll still pray for you every single day.